A rolling pin is a cylindrical tool used in cooking and baking to flatten and shape dough. It is typically made of wood, although there are also rolling pins made of metal, plastic, or other materials. When using a rolling pin, the dough is placed on a flat surface, such as a counter or a cutting board, and the rolling pin is used to apply pressure and flatten the dough to the desired thickness and shape. The dough can then be cut into shapes or used to line a baking dish or pie plate. Rolling pins can also be used to crush nuts or cookies for use as a crust or topping. There are many different types of rolling pins, including French pins, which are tapered on the ends and do not have handles, and textured pins, which have ridges or patterns on the surface to create decorative effects. Some rolling pins also have a hollow center, which can be filled with ice to keep the dough cool while rolling.